Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at two of Samsung's latest smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold5 and the Galaxy A54 5G. These two phones are on opposite ends of the spectrum in terms of price and features, but they both have a lot to offer. So which one is right for you? Let's find out. Design and display. The Galaxy Z Fold5 is a foldable phone, which means that it unfolds to reveal a massive 7.6-inch main display. The Galaxy A54 5G, on the other hand, has a more traditional 6.4-inch display. The Z Fold5's display is obviously much larger and more immersive, but it's also much more fragile. The A54 5G's display is more durable, but it's not as impressive. Camera. The Galaxy Z Fold5 has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 10MP telephoto sensor. The Galaxy A54 5G also has a triple-lens rear camera system, but with a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. The Z Fold5's camera system is obviously more versatile, but the A54 5G's camera is still quite good. Performance. The Galaxy Z Fold5 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, while the Galaxy A54 5G is powered by the Exynos 1280 processor. The Z Fold5 is obviously the more powerful phone, but the A54 5G is still no slouch. Battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold5 has a 400 mAh battery, while the Galaxy A54 5G has a 5000 mAh battery. The A54 5G should have better battery life, but the Z Fold5's battery life is still not bad. So, which phone is right for you? If you're looking for the best possible smartphone experience, regardless of price, then the Galaxy Z Fold5 is the clear winner. It has a larger display, a more versatile camera system, a more powerful processor, and better battery life. However, if you're on a budget, then the Galaxy A54 5G is a great option. It's still a great phone with a lot to offer, and it's much more affordable. Ultimately, the decision of which phone to buy is up to you. But I hope this video has helped you to narrow down your choices. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know which phone you would choose.